Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a payment method declined error on your iPhone, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to fix payment method declined on iPhone. First, verify your payment information. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Next, tap Payment and Shipping. From the list of payment methods, select a card or payment method that's being declined. Now carefully check all the details, make sure the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address are correct. If anything is wrong, update the information and save the changes. After updating the details, try making the purchase again to see if the issue is fixed. Next, check your billing address. Sometimes payments get declined because the billing address on your Apple ID doesn't match the one your bank has on file. To do this, stay in Payment and Shipping, select your payment method, and confirm that the billing address matches exactly with your bank records. If needed, update the billing address and save it. Once everything matches, try the payment again. If your payment is still declined after these steps, restarting your iPhone and trying again later can also help, as well as contacting your bank to make sure there are no blocks on your card. And that's it. That's how you fix a payment method declined issue on iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.